Hello everyone, welcome you all on behalf of dailynewshit.com. In this video, we will discuss about 3D printing and we will see will 3D printing change everything in the near future. You already know about 2D printer that you need an MS Word file. The instructions are sent to the printer and as a result, a printed sheet comes out. Similarly, a 3D printer needs a file, which is called CAD file, that is, Computer Aided Design File. 3D scanner creates a model and through 3D modeling program, CAD file is created. This file is sent to the printer. The software slices the design into thousands of horizontal layers. These layers are printed on top of each other in such a way that a 3D object is prepared. It is also named as additive manufacturing and it can be used personally as well as commercially. For using 3D printer, you don't need to be an engineer. Rather, there are several softwares which can perform the same task. For example, AutoCAD and SolidWorks, etc. If you can't purchase the 3D printer, then you can avail yourself the services of 3D printing service bureaus. You just have to upload a digital file and they will ensure you the inexpensive prints delivery, such as cheapwave and Honko. This all seems magical. A 3D printer can print plastic, nylon, and hundreds of other materials. You can create end-user products, human organs, guns, aircraft engine parts, jewelry, car, and medicines, and so many appliances. The printing methods used by 3D printer are stereography, fuse deposition modeling, selective laser sintering, and polyjet photopolymer, and many other printing methods are used. The price of 3D printer is $250,000 and above. The first 3D printer was designed in 1984 and now it's hoped that there will be an increment in its use and a decrement in its price. It is recommended that a 3D printer should be used in the industrial concerns more than household objects in the near future. We hope that you will like this video. We will be waiting for your suggestions. We say you goodbye from dailynewshit.com. Thank you.